We are super excited to launch the BuddyBoss Beta Program. This is going to provide you with early access to play with upcoming releases of BuddyBoss Theme, BuddyBoss Platform, and BuddyBoss Platform Pro. We will continue to release maintenance updates and minor feature updates as usual, but for major new features that require significant changes to the product, from today forward, these changes are going to go through a more extensive beta testing period before being launched to the wider customer base. The reason for launching this beta program is that our customer base has gotten so large and varied that it has become increasingly difficult for our team to test our product updates in every possible scenario. There are currently over 50,000 WordPress plugins and countless server environments, and when we're launching a major new feature, any of these plugins or server setups could potentially cause a conflict with our product. The beta program is going to lead to a more stable product with fewer compatibility issues after updating. The beta program also gives our customers a chance to provide valuable feedback to our team before we push major updates live. Once a feature enters the beta stage, it's unlikely to have major changes before going live, but we may make small interface tweaks in the final weeks based on user feedback. And of course, we will fix any bugs that are reported by testers. Right now, in May 2021, we are beta testing our new video uploading feature for BuddyBoss Platform. This feature allows you to upload video files into activity posts, into forums, profiles, groups, private messages, and documents. So if you want to get early access to video uploading, you can download the betas today. Note that video uploading is not yet compatible with BuddyBoss app during this beta stage. If you have purchased BuddyBoss Theme, then when you go into your BuddyBoss.com account area, you will see this new tab for Beta Program. First, you will need to agree to the BuddyBoss Beta Program agreement, and then you will be taken into this page where you can download the latest beta versions of our products. Please do not ever install these betas on a production website. These are pre-release versions of our products. As such, they are likely to have bugs, and in many cases their features will not yet be compatible with BuddyBoss app. If you want to be a beta tester, please set up a dedicated WordPress website just for beta testing. On that website, you should delete any current copies of BuddyBoss Platform, Platform Pro, and BuddyBoss Theme, and replace them with the copies that you've downloaded from this beta program page. Once you have installed the beta plugins and theme, you'll be able to update them from your WordPress admin. We will be pushing out beta updates the same way that we update our normal products, allowing you to update from within WordPress. And of course, you can always come back here if you need to download the latest beta versions as well. Right now, the beta program is limited to our web products only and does not include beta testing for BuddyBoss app. BuddyBoss Platform is the foundational piece of software that powers everything else. Most features for both web and app have their logic and APIs written in BuddyBoss Platform, and so it is the primary product that requires beta testing for new features. While you are testing the product, if you see any issues, please come back to this beta program page and click on this Send Feedback button to provide your feedback to our team. You can see the form is defaulting to I need help with beta products. Please leave that selected and do not send this feedback in other support tickets, as this would make it difficult for our support team to route your feedback to the correct place. If we have follow-up questions related to your feedback, we'll send you a message back. Otherwise, we will read your feedback and consider it and make any necessary changes to the product. In most cases, we will not reply to your feedback, but we will read it, and it will influence the product. We can't wait to put these updates into your hands and read your feedback. We are extremely grateful to have such enthusiastic customers, and we can't thank you enough for helping us in our efforts to build the best community platform possible. Thank you.